안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Chung. Hope all of you are doing very well. On my channel, I have introduced a few Korean pancakes such as kimchi pancake and potato pancake. In fact, Koreans love to eat pancake cuisines. Today, I'm gonna introduce another pancake cuisine, mungbeanpancake Nokdujeon. Mung beans are commonly used in various cuisines across Asia. Mungbeanpancake Nokdujeon is made with ground mung bean batter. It is one of a good side dish, and many Korean restaurants offer this delicious cuisine as an appetizer. Well, my stomach is already making a noise. So let's get started cooking Nokdujeon. Step 1. Prepare mung bean. I bought this mung bean at a Korean mart. It's much simpler and more comfortable to buy peeled ones. Mung beans with the skin are green. Split mung beans without the skin are yellow. This is mung beans soaked in water in advance. When mung beans are soaked in water, the amount increases. Soak the peeled mung beans in water for about 5 hours. Wash it in water once and drain it. Put the mung beans in the blender. I put 1 cup of water in mung bean and ground it, but it was too thin. If you add about 3 4 cup of water for this amount of mung bean, the batter is good. If you use too much water to grind mung beans, the texture is bad because mung bean pancakes become thin. Step 2. Cutting ingredients. These are blanched bean sprouts. These are fresh sprouts. You can use either one. Cut the blanched sprouts into appropriate sizes. This is kimchi that was washed and squeezed. It's good to use ripe kimchi in mung bean pancake and cut it into small pieces. Slice the green onions thinly. Let me add red bell peppers for the color. Slice it thinly. Cut it into small pieces. If you don't have red bell peppers, you can skip it. This is a Korean red chili. I'm gonna use it as a garnish later. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Chop the onions thinly too. And cut it into small pieces. Slice the pork thinly. I like a pork with lots of fat. And cut it into small pieces. The ingredients for today's mung bean pancake are ready. Step 3. Making batter and dipping sauce. Put the ground mung beans in a bowl. Add 1 egg. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Let me prepare the dipping sauce for mung bean pancake. Put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add ½ a tablespoon of honey or sugar. If you have a sesame seeds, add a little bit. This is optional. Step 4. Grilling. Add a generous amount of oil to a preheated pan. When baking mung bean pancake, leave it on high heat at first and place an appropriate amount of batter on the frying pan. And make the shape round like this. Leave the heat over medium-high and bake it well inside. Mung bean is rich in protein, fiber, various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you have a sliced red chili, it's pretty if you put them as a garnish. this is optional. Once the bottom is golden brown, turn it over. And it is said that heart disease can be prevented by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. And above all, there are so many good elements of detoxifying. If the front and back are well cooked, put them in a plate. You can fry the rest of the batter up in the same way. The mung bean pancake, which is crispy and tasty, is done. Looks so delicious. Let me have a bite. It's so crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. Let me dip in the sauce. Sweet and sour sauce and the mung bean cake go really well. Hope you give it a try to make a delicious and nutritious mung bean pancake. How was cooking mung bean pancake Nokdujeon today? Your likes and comments give me a lot of strength for making the program. I will see you next time. Stay well and take care of yourselves. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.